Today we're headed for the Tri-Trail Corner and the Claudius Smith Den.
I mean, that's the common thread here.
Let's hike. That's us, Triangle Trail.
On that hike, there were some spots that maybe could be sliced.
Black Ash Swamp.
Got him.
Now onto the White Cross. Wrap on the White Cross. Now on to the Tuxedo Mount Ivy.
One thing I do like. Working It's on.
What's back there? Just a view. Turn it around. Take a selfie of us in the cave.
You know, all the New York State campgrounds, especially in
Ooh.
You know, a couple of minutes.
That's it for Claudius Smith Den. Back on the road. Been a long, stressful week. So the theme for today's hike was to try and find something kind of remote, get that feeling of that restorative feeling of getting out there somewhere remote. So one of the great things about Harriman is there's a little bit of everything. So if you stay off the ridge lines and the summits and the peaks, and you stay off those big hilltops, you can really find your way back to a feeling of remoteness. You stay in the little nooks and valleys and the little bogs and along the marshes and the mountain laurels. You really can get a feeling of remoteness here in this park. So that was the theme for today. Find a nice, quiet, remote area of the park and unplug. And we certainly achieved that. The Tri-Trails corner along the Victory Trail and the Ramapo-Dunderberg, the Blue Disc. It's a beautiful rock dam, and you get a real feeling of remoteness. Wrapped it up at Claudius Smith Den, which is a fun geologic feature for hot lunch. And I can hear the loud sounds of the thruway behind me, so it looks like we're coming to the end of things. Great hike.